Hi, this is a really quick video to show you how to put together the Crayon Box SVG file from Simply Crafty SVGs. It's a free SVG. These are just the two pieces. It's really simple. You're just going to go ahead and fold on the score lines once you cut out the box. So what's nice about these boxes is that you can make a bunch of them and you don't have to really put them together fully because the top and bottom are no glue closures, so you could actually just flatten them and do a lot and get them prepped for an event, whether it be for a teacher gift or Christmas. Actually, this box can be used for anything, for a birthday party. So the only things we're going to do are to add the two panels, so they just center, and it centers around that oval cut. I mean, if you felt like you wanted to have an acetate front, you could, but these are meant to be very quick and fast gift boxes to put together. Like I said, for either for maybe back to school gifts or teacher appreciation or any holiday, really. They'd make good Easter, Christmas, anything. Just an all occasion box. Just change the paper colors and pattern paper. So you just go ahead and center that back panel. There's no panels on the side. The only thing you have to glue for the box wise is this side panel. So we're going to add glue to this side tab and then fold over this side to match up that edge to the tab folds, and just make sure it's centered on top and bottom as well. And the only thing left is to insert the bottom piece. Again, you could store these flat if you wanted to make a bunch of them. Fold over the flaps in the front after you put your little gift or gift card in, and close it. So the only thing I'm going to add are a couple enamel dots. Just need to get them just for extra oomph to it, or you could add you could add anything really. You could add stickers if you wanted to. So I'm just going to add a bigger one in the middle and two smaller ones on the side to finish it off. And you could add a little personalization to it, somebody's name, or you could either put that on the side. Washi tape could be used on the side. A lot of people like us have washi tape just hanging around. That's a good thing, that just to place on the side to spruce it up a little bit. That's it. It just opens easily to add a little gift. And then, like I said, it could be a birthday favor or easy back to school gift. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this little quick project, and thank you for watching.